Hello, in front of me I've got Jedi Survivor. In this video I'll show you basic exploration tutorial. Firstly, we can use WSAD to run and navigate the camera by using our mouse. Now, if you want to run faster, press and hold Shift button. To jump, press space. To double jump, press space twice. Then we've got this wall star right here. We can run through them by simply jumping on them. Remember, at the end of the jump, press space again.
Okay, so Grease is on the other side of all this. Mind giving me a closer look?
Press R button to enter visor. Then press B to use the visor. Now, press E button to mark your destination.
We have our target. Now let's reach it.
Press M button to enter holomap.
Last time I saw a loophole was Braca. A long time ago. What you see now?
Here we've got the meditation spot.
So Grease has a part
Activate it to meditate. And right here you can assign skills, go to training, rest, and adjust stances. Remember that rest respawns all enemies. Next, we can use forces. Somewhere right here should be pink we can use to push or pull. In this game we've got basics 2 or 3 forces. Firstly, push, press 2 button, pull, press 3 button, then we can use Control and F for mind control. That's basically it. Next we can scan our enemies,
So what'd you find?
and not only enemies but also herbs and flora. In game we've got some echo sounds we can use to learn about game. To block, press right mouse button. To parry, press right mouse button in the last possible second. To counter, press right mouse button and
BD, sit here!
attack.
Rusted, like everything else around here. Wonder how long this has been here.
Last thing about exploration. In game there are some shortcuts we can unlock simply by interacting with them. Also, we can use the zip line to quickly enter higher position. And then we've got these boxes we can open to find things to customize our lightsaber, BD1 or ourselves. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please like, comment and subscribe.